Welcome back to a very special episode of Tech and Tesla. So today was the day. Finally, after waiting, I don't know, from November until May, it has arrived. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just a beautiful car. No chrome. I upgraded the wheels to the black rims. So, first order of business is getting some all-weather floor mats in here. So we're going to take those out and see what the Maxpider floor mats look like. I ended up getting the set of all of them. I'll show you the ones I already put in the cargo area. So, it's the cargo mat, the back seat mat, and the front two mats. And I'll show you a video in a minute of me treating these with the 271 trim dressing. That's super important for getting a layer of protection on those. So this way, when you do need to wash them, you can get it back to brand new condition. So, okay, I also have these left and right mats that go in the wells on the left and right side. So I'll just drop those in. It's kind of hard to show you on camera, but they fit nice and snug in there. And I'm actually putting them inside of the Tespro canisters here that I already inserted, and these still even fit in there, which is great. And then it also came with these covers from Tespros. I also have a coupon code in the description. So that's that. And before I forget, talking about coupon codes, if you go to For My Tesla and you want to get a set of these mats, you can get $10 off by using my code TNT. That'll also be in the description. So before we install these mats, let's go ahead and cut to the video of me treating them with the 271 trim dressing, and we'll be right back. Okay, so like I said before, one of the most important things you can do is get the 271 trim dressing from Duragloss. I'll include a link down below. And you got to treat these mats. So you they're very, cost a good amount of money because it's a high quality mat. So you really want to protect your investment. And there's videos out there of people who have used it and haven't, and it's a stark difference. So highly recommend doing that. So I'll show you doing one, and then you'll see the idea after that. All right. Also, there's a link to EV wraps on the For My Tesla website, and these decals you can actually put over the 3D emblem. A lot of people, say that they don't like it. It kind of sticks out. It's a little loud. So this will just turn it a darker color, and then this way, kind of blend in more with the mat, and it won't look so in your face. So that's also just like $10, so it's not bad. All right, let's take a look at treating one of these mats. Now I think the way to go is to apply it to the rag and not directly to this. So this way you get more of an even distribution. If you apply it, you can kind of control it better if you apply it to the rag. Would help if I took the cap off. All right, one down, two to go. Let's cut the video here and check back in when I put it in. So as you can see, my Tesla did come with the mobile charger because I was grandfathered in to the since it was purchased before April of this year. It did come with that, so that's a huge bonus. So opening this up, this is the sub trunk, and what's unique to the Model Y is if you take this all the way out, I'm not sure if the S and the X have it, but I know the 3 that doesn't have it. There's another sub trunk area, so much less storage there, but the mats will go on both. So let's check out the fit. Okay, here we go. Here's the sub trunk, I'll call it. Nice fit there as well. And here we are with just a regular sub trunk. So as you can see, sorry about the shadow. As you can see, it's a nice fit, very nice fit. Okay, here's the cargo liner. Very nice fit, comes right up to the edges. All right, let's take a look in here. Here's the passenger side. Goes up pretty high, and again, it goes up on the sides here, right into the corners. So it would be very hard to get past this. And it has this material on the bottom of these, which makes it grip onto the carpet. So it's actually pretty nice. They're not going to move around at all. Alright guys, here's the driver's side. So you can see the dead pedal padding goes all the way up for your foot, because this is where you're going to rest your left foot. Alright, you have nice protection here. Comes up on the sides again to collect all that rain and mud and snow and everything else. And I installed these from TMI. You just have to lift them up a little bit to slide it out, and then you know, you can have your storage under the seats, which is nice. Alright, here's the fit over here. You can see comes right into the corners, which is really nice. It has this lip, which you know, really nice. It's really a good fit, especially if you have a little one, which I do. So all the stuff that he drops, it will all be collected by this mat, and it'll keep everything underneath nice and clean. And here's the front mat. So very nice. Fits in. It'll put a little weight on it, and nothing's going to move around. So far, I'm really loving this product. High quality. Looks like it's going to be durable. Looks like it's going to last, especially if you treat them right. Let's take a look. One thing in the trunk I wanted to suggest. I would suggest that they got mats to extend over to here. So it'd be nice if it just had like little wings on it. Maybe they sell it. I'm not 100% sure. But other than that, I'm definitely super happy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Check the description for discount codes. Don't forget, for my Tesla is TNT for $10 off. And as always, drive safe.